Okay, another product review here. This is my 2016 Chevy Silverado that I won at the Copart auction, 42,000 miles. But I want to show you how we clean the engine bays. I've seen a lot of videos on this, and here's a very easy way to do it. This is a product I use, Super Clean. You can use it on a lot of different things, upholstery, inside, exterior, whatever, degreaser. It just depends on how you actually do the mixing ratio. And for under the hoods and all, I use an 8-to-1 mixing ratio, 8 parts water, 1 part Super Clean. And basically I just spray it, as you can see here, and apply it with a pump sprayer. Happens to be a Zet brand pump sprayer. And I just coat it pretty well, just all the surfaces. I don't worry about a lot of things. I know a lot of videos are telling you to cover the battery up, those type of things. The only thing I would tell you of my 50 years experience, just don't spray this or the water that you rinse with into the alternator, across some of your fuse boxes. Just real easy, and by all means do not use a pressure washer. I've seen a video that shows that. So again, just apply the product, and I wet everything down, let it sit for a couple of minutes, and I go in with the shower nozzle with my cold water on the water hose and just rinse it off, and you'll see it cleans it up very, very nicely, and no rubbing involved. I don't have to worry about it cranking or any type of electrical problems because I didn't use a pressure washer, and I'm not spraying directly on the alternator, on top of the fuse boxes, that type of thing. So you can do this at home and not worry about it, but you just have to use a little sense with it. I've got just a little sense, so that's what I'm using. So again, nice truck to begin with, but I want to show you, here's the products by the chemical guys. VRP stands for vinyl, rubber, plastic. You can use it at a lot of different places on the vehicles. Basically what I use it for is under hood. And you'll see that this makes this under hood engine bay compartment look like it's at a dealership, brand new. And I'll show you how I apply. Just put it on a little applicator pad, a couple of 3 drops, just like you would on a buffing pad, and just basically just rub it in. Once I finish with it, you don't have to buff it, you don't have to wipe it off anymore. Once I finish what I'm doing here now, I'm done. And you'll see that it dries very quickly, and just makes it look great. So basically it's good for all the plastic parts, radiator covers. I'm using it on the beauty cover there. I touch the hoses, it's fine. The rubber hoses, your coolant hoses, everything under there can be coated with this product, it's fine. I even use the product on the cowl support here, on top of the wiper blade arms. It just gives it a real good, nice, new black, deep black finish. So again, just apply it. You don't have to use a lot. Like I said, 3 or 4 little dots on it. And here's the before. Within 10-15 minutes, I did this. Look at the after. Case closed. It's a very good product. I highly recommend it. Bought it at Walmart. I think it was around 13 bucks. It'll probably do 25-30 vehicles.